Hello, how are you doing today? Hopefully you're doing good. I just wanted to talk about this tomb fork. If you're interested in more high risk, high reward type of investing or passive income, this is Tomb Finance. And if you know about the original Tomb Finance, which was very successful, but they do have issues, this is another interesting one. um, and they've done well, and then they kind of had a little problems, but now they're doing a little better again, and the the amounts are pegged more closer to what they're supposed to be. So if something drops, it's not a big drop, which is kind of cool. And then they have these farms, and you can look up here all the different things you can farm in here to earn passive income. And then they have a boardroom. You can stake in here. You buy the 2 shares and you approve it with your MetaMask. They have bonds. You can do that. Dividends coming soon, because they're going to start a 3 tomb, or I don't know how you call it, but it's going to be a 3 over here, and they're going to add new things, and that's going to be coming up. And usually when they start off new, that's when you have the chance to like make more money if you get in early. And so these are more like vaults for auto compounding. So most of it is passive income. You put money in there and then you'll start generating money with really without doing anything. But you do have to watch it, because sometimes they have, with the market, if things go down, you might want to have to pull it out if it gets really bad. But yeah, just wanted to bring you this one because they were able to survive a couple bad times, and now they're expanding. So I just wanted to let you know about this one. It's pretty interesting if you want to check it out. And this is not financial advice. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.